My heart has been telling me to make this video all day. So here I am. This message is to any and all out there in the world who have extensively felt a major disconnect from their dreams and their actual reality. The race that you are running, what you are chasing, is running away from you. In your mind, you visualize it being closer to you, almost like a relay race. But you are chasing that image. You are chasing that dream. That's why the sheeple, the people who are asleep, dream less than those who are awake. Now, the race is never against somebody else. It's different variations of you. Let me paint y'all the picture. You are who you are today. You meet 5 people Monday through Friday. That's it. You only meet, experience, and talk to one person each day, Monday through Friday. So that's 5 people in a weekday. Every last one of those people that you meet, that you engage with, that you encounter, you interact with, they've gotten a different side of you. On Monday, the person thought you were an asshole. On Tuesday, the person thought you were extremely generous. On Wednesday, the person that you spoke to and interacted with thought you were very greedy. On Thursday, the person that you spoke to grasped that you are extremely charismatic. And with your charisma, you are very attentive with your ear. So you know how to listen very well. And on Friday, this person thought you just don't even care about life. You just don't even care. You're just saying whatever to people, acting however to people, almost like you're a nihilist. So this is who you're in a race with, those different individuals. It's you versus you from yesterday. Your habits that you did yesterday. What you performed yesterday. What did you put on that stat sheet yesterday? That's what you are going up against. So the race, what you are chasing the money, chasing the girls, chasing the popularity, chasing the fame, chasing the status, chasing the new car, chasing every single accomplishment. And here I am not saying that you should never acquire those things, because that is a material aspect of life that needs attention, right? Because that is a form of wealth in this realm. Love nice things. Want to splurge on yourself here and there. Want to spoil yourself as well as others, because spoiling them is essentially spoiling you, because you have the right, the privilege, and the audacity to do that for somebody else. You're able to. Your abilities are stronger. Your XP, your experience of life is stronger, so you can do that for other people. The race is never against other people. That's not your competition. That never has been and never will be. When you eliminate the distractions that you know are holding you back, those are the ones that's going to change your life forever. And you know your guilty pleasures. You know your vices. You know the skeletons that live in your closet whenever you just get in that mode and you just want to say fuck it and jump off the consistent wagon that you've been on. You've been habit stacking. You've been reading, journaling, going for walks, working out, cooking, focusing on your business concisely. 2 hours, breaking out 2 hours in your day. No music, phone do not disturb, airplane mode. You just black out everything. 2 hours. Focus on my business. Focus on your business. That's when that circle enhances and increases. But the minute you start to scroll a little bit too long, you start to get complacent, you start to sigh a couple and your shoulders start shrinking in the couch, in the bed, in the chair, that's when you turn into that person that somebody else met on Monday who said you're an asshole. Because you're an asshole in the aspect of you say a lot, but you disrespect your word. You disrespect your mission. You're an asshole for that. You said you was coming to get me at 5 p.m. and now it's 6:30 and you're just now coming to get me. And I know you wasn't doing shit prior. That's you. You're an asshole for that. You're now speaking to the same person on Friday who thought you just don't care about life. You're going to piss your dreams away and you're awake. You have the privilege and the ability from God, from the universe, to have an imagination with grand ideas that can change the world, because it only takes one. It only takes one idea to change the world. It only takes one person to change the world. And then you accumulate other world changers, dreamers, who are awake, visionaries as they call them, and y'all come together and y'all make a bigger change. But it only takes one. That's the foundation. One. One strip of advice a year. One strip of advice per month. How stronger will you become? Yes, it's important to be free. It's important to be luxurious with your possessions that you've accumulated. Success is only true by definition of your own, not nobody else's. Do not compare your success to somebody else's because you're 20, you're 18, and you don't have what somebody else who's in Canada has at 18. You don't know if this person was a Nepo baby, a trust fund kid. You have no idea. Yet your brain is infused with overthinking, preconceived thoughts that they are better than you. They are more well off, more happy, more sufficient than you, because at 18, they can pay all their bills. They live in the penthouse. They got the nicest car. They're taking videos, going to the clubs every weekend. They got girls always hitting up their line. They free. They traveling a lot. And you're just focusing on how to make ends meet right now. Job to job. You got a hoopty, raggedy ass car. That's your focus. So you would feel as if you're less than, you're lacking. That they're not your competition. Your competition is you today, you yesterday. Yesterday is dead. We don't believe in that. Yesterday is only a belief. And you don't believe what you know. You know what you know. You don't trust what you know. You know what you know. I know I'm destined. Divine timing. As a visionary, as somebody who has a vast imagination, you know how to take an idea that nobody else can see, bring it down to this realm, this very dense realm with haters, with blockers, with people who are envious, jealous, greedy, slothy, slimy, snakes. You know how to take that vision, craft it, hone it, humble it, break it down, put it on the map, zoom into it, and make it material. You know how to make the invisible visible. And it was only you who seen it. It was only you. You only knew about it. But see, you didn't only trust about it. You didn't only believe about it. You knew it. You knew it. Because divine timing is always going to connect the things that are meant to magnate to each other. The things that are meant to magnetize towards each other are meant. It's never a race versus them. Ever. The more you compare is the more you feel less than. So think about this the next time you're sitting and you are sluggish about where you are in life. You are there by choice. You are there by choice. And it hurts. It's a very tough pill to swallow. If your leg is hurting and you know the only way to fix that hurt momentarily is to stretch, to work it out, and possibly take this pill that's placebo affected in your brain to subsidize and eliminate the pain, why wouldn't you do it? Why wouldn't you do it? Every single day. This is your choice. You have to make a conscious decision every day. There's no, this is day 5 of me on this journey, day 10, day 30, day 100. That's a fallacy. You believe that you can do it. You don't know. You don't know. You're not that confident. You don't confide in yourself enough. Every day is day 1. Will you change your life one day or on day 1? It's a choice. Yes, it's risky. Yes, it's challenging. But do you ever want it to be easy? What have you gotten? What was granted to you from school, from teachers, from coaches that was ever easy? And when you got it, it just slipped away. Like, damn, that kind of moment just went by real quick, right? Yeah, it did. Because it was easy. It was an easy championship. You beat them by 30. I yawned. I was yawning on the bench. I was cold. But when it was difficult to climb that mountain, to get to the playoffs, to get to that championship game, and we won it, now we got more greatness to be grateful for. The choice will always be yours.